Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today's analysis will be emphasized on the short term and on the midterm charts, because on the short term and on the midterm, the Bitcoin is not giving clear signals whether it will be moved up or moved down, and it's very flat and moving sideways. For that, first of all, we will watch the different support and resistance levels, and we will also watch the different chart patterns that the Bitcoin has formed on the daily chart, and we will also watch the different moving averages. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you the long-term analysis as well. So let's start the video and move to the live chart. This is the daily chart, and on this chart we can see that the price action has found a very firm and strong support so far after 2nd June above this 9,500 resistance level. That was a resistance previously, but at this time it's working as a very strong and firm support, and the resistance level is $10,000, and it is moving sideways between this resistance and support level. Once this support level will be broken down, then we have the previous support at $8,800. At this time the Bitcoin is quite sideways, but in my point of view, if we count the points for the bears and bulls, then more points are in favor of bears rather in the favor of bulls. Let me show you why. This is the up channel that has been formed after the mid of March, and the price action has crossed up the EMA 10 and EMA 20 while moving within this up channel. At this time we can see that the Bollinger Bands is moving sideways at the right side and giving no signals whether it will be moved up or moved down, and the mouth of the Bollinger Band is not getting squeezed or not getting stretched as well. Now the price action has also found a very strong support above these two EMAs, the exponential moving average 10 and exponential moving average 21. Unless these EMAs are retained and they're not broken down, we can expect that the price action can make the upward move from here, but we have a very strong resistance level above the price action that can stop the price line to move up to this resistance of the channel. However, we have the support of Bollinger Band below the support of resistance that is giving the indication or signal that the price action may move down up to this level, and it may make another attempt to break down the resistance, the support of this channel. Now I'm just going to place the moon phases indicator. That is very much important to find the upcoming bearish or bullish trends, and we can see at this time this full moon is appeared almost above the resistance of this channel, but this bearish moon or this dark moon is appeared at very distance from the support, below the support of the channel. And the distance from one moon to another moon is called a synodic cycle, and that is 29.5 days long. And if we see the life of this current moon, it was appeared at this level, at this point, then up to the current candlestick, we can see that the life of this moon is almost 20 days. So there is only almost 9 days are left for the new moon to be appeared. The further movement of the Bitcoin depends where the next new moon will be appeared. For example, if that will be appeared above this resistance of the channel, then there will be more chances that the price line will move up to that level and make another attempt to break out that resistance of the channel. And this dark moon will be appeared here within this channel above the support, then there will be more chances that the support will be saved. However, at this time the dark moon is appeared below the support. Before that, we have seen that the previous dark moons were at the support, and if we connect these moons, then at this time it is moving a little bit down below the support of this channel, and the new moon is appeared above the resistance of this channel. So that is in uptrend, and overall the dark moons are in uptrend as well, but this moon is appeared below the support of this channel. That is indication that the price line may move up to this level. Now if we watch this chart, that is very much this chart is very important. Previously we had a previous rising wedge pattern, and currently the price action has formed another pattern, and at this time the price action is moving at the end of this pattern that is quite squeezed. For example, if the price line will be moved more within this pattern, then from this point up to the end of the pattern, almost 6 or 7 days. 7 days are left for this pattern to be finished. and therefore this is the decision making time for the price line to move down or move up as soon as possible before the finishing or ending this pattern. Previously, when this rising wedge pattern was formed, that was, even though that was a bearish pattern, but the price action broke out that pattern. As in my previous video, I predicted that this time the price line will break out this rising wedge pattern because we had very obvious bullish signals, and the main bullish signal was this RSI indicator that was completely in an uptrend. At this time, if we watch the RSI indicator, this is the oscillator, then we can see that this oscillator is in downtrend. That is not so much steep, but however, it is in downtrend, and that is giving indication that the price line may follow the trend of the RSI. The stochastic is moving sideways, and if we want the volume oscillator indicator, that is in negative, showing no power of bulls or bears, whether the bulls are in power or bears are in power. But if we watch the volume indicator, then whenever price line reaches at the support, the bull starts buying and takes the price action up to the resistance of the channel, and when the price action reaches up to the resistance, then the bear starts selling. Here you can see on the volume indicator, the bear starts selling and takes the price line up to the support of the channel. Then again, the bulls started buying and took the price line up to this level. But at this point, we don't have a very clear indication by the volume indicator as well whether the bulls are in power or the bears are going to take over the bulls. I want to implement or place the moon phases indicator on this chart as well. That is very much important indicator to determine the future upward or downward move of the price action. Then we had a very clear indication by the full moon and the dark moon as well that the price action will break out the resistance of this wedge, because we had a full moon at very far distance from the resistance of the channel, above the resistance, and we had the dark moon within this support, above the support of this wedge. At this time, the most recent full moon is above the resistance of this pattern, but we have the dark moon below the support of this wedge. Therefore, it is indicating that the price line may move up to this level, and if the price line will be moved up to this level, definitely it will break down the support of this channel, and we may retest, the price action may retest the previous support at $8,800. And if we place the volume profile indicator, that is also a very much important indicator to determine the levels of the traders' interest, where they are interested to trade and at what level they are not interested to trade within the pattern. For example, I am just placing this volume profile first in this wedge. Then we can see that the traders' interest was up to this level, that was almost $7,430, and up to the downside, they were interested to trade up to $5,900. Therefore, there were more chances that the price action will break out because we had the traders' interest above the support, and from the downside, we had the traders' interest above the, this is the resistance and this is above the support. And now I'm just going to place this same indicator on this pattern. Then we can see that we have the traders' interest up to this level, that is $9,000, and from the upside we have the traders' interest up to almost $10,000. That is almost at the resistance of this wedge. But if we watch this downside interest of the traders, that is almost at $9,000, so it means that the price action, if it will be moved up to that level, then the price action can break down the support of this pattern. So there are more chances for the price line to break down the support rather to break out. And these were the harmonic moves that I shared with you in my previous video as well. First, the price action of Bitcoin formed a bullish bad pattern and took a powerful bullish divergence and formed another bullish garlic pattern. And I predicted that for the completion of this garlic pattern, the price action should move up to this level from 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level for the final leg, and that was from $9,317 up to $9,015, almost at $9,000, and the price action moved up to this level, that was $9,356, very close to the target, but so far it is not completely entered in this potential reversal zone. However, unless the price action will not break out this resistance or this C point of this bullish garlic pattern, there are more chances that the price line will move down up to this level to complete this guardless move. And once this guardless leg will be completed, then there will be more chances that it will take another bullish divergence from here and start the next bullish rally or move. But there are chances that the price line will move down up to this level for the completion of this leg. Now I would like to show you the moving averages on the daily chart. At this time, we have, even though we have the 25 simple moving average above all the simple moving averages like 50, 200, and 100, that is very positive signal because once we have the order of the moving averages in this position, like the 25 is above all, then 50, then 100, and the 200, this black one will become or move down below all other moving averages, then we will have a complete open alligator mouth that can lead the price action to start another powerful bullish rally. But at this time, the 50 moving average is moving up to form a bear cross or death cross with the 25 simple moving average, because whenever the bigger time period moving average or the smaller time period moving average crosses down the bigger time period moving average, so that is a bearish signal. And if this cross will be formed, then it can lead the price line to start a new bearish rally, and we can retest the previous support of $8,800. Now let's move to the long-term chart, and this is the weekly chart. And as in my previous video, I told you that so far we have a very good position of the moving averages, like I have played the 50, 25, 100, and 200 simple moving averages on this chart. Once we will have a complete order of the moving averages like we had here before 2017. The 25 was above all, then 50, then 100, and then 200 will be below all other simple moving averages. Then a complete opened alligator mouth will be formed that can lead the price action parabolic bullish. And for example, in previous move, it produced more than 3,000% profit. And at this time, if we watch that, we have a very perfect formation of open alligator mouth. Only this move is remained to be formed, and that is the 25 simple moving average should be above all these moving averages. And at this time, this 25 simple moving average is moving up to form a golden cross with the 50 simple moving average. Once this order will be completed, then we will watch a very strong bullish rally by the Bitcoin on the long term that can lead the Bitcoin to achieve the higher than the previous highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin. And I would like to recall this garlic pattern at the end of this video with you, where I predicted that the price line will take a bullish divergence from here. And this was a very big bullish garlic on the monthly chart. And I predicted, as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish garlic pattern, the price action should take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone from 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level up to 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci. And that is a projection of A to D leg. And now I'm playing this chart, and we are having a sequence of green bullish candlesticks. And one candlestick is closing above the shoulder of the previous candlestick. Therefore, I'm expecting the next month candlestick will be closed above the shoulder of the previous candlestick. And this bullish sequence of the candlestick can lead the price action to break out this resistance level, that is a 0.786 Fibonacci, almost at $12,000. And once this resistance level will be broken out, then the Bitcoin can start more powerful bullish rally than the previous one. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, do share my videos, and do share your comments with me in the comment section as well. I'll try my best to reach out your comments and reply your comments as soon as possible. Take care. Goodbye.